Hello friends, I am Mohanish. In this video, we are going to create a radar system for our homes for increasing security and all that. Maybe not that, but you can use it for many purposes. So how we are going to make it? So you see something like this. So this thing is called an Arduino Uno. So it is a very good thing, and it makes the electrical signals. So what are the electrical signals? So it is our code which will be uploading using this cable. It has a USB port at one drive, and this has a Arduino port. So it looks like this. So you see it, you have to keep it here and upload the code using the Arduino Uno IDE. So, and you see I have a few things here. So you see this is a servo motor. This thing is called a servo motor, and this thing is called a ultrasonic sensor, or HCSRO4 sensor. And you see I attached some wires. So these wires are called jumper wires, and I got the wires here. So I need to attach it to the Arduino Uno. So I won't attach it directly because I have a breadboard. So I'll just use this breadboard. So you may buy a solderless breadboard. So here what does solderless means? So I'll cut a little part from the back. So you see the connections are already made. So you don't need to make it fully, and it's very easy to use this. You just need to connect all the things. So now I'll take this jumper wire, and I'll take the 5-volt connection. So it is this one, it is the fourth one, and I'll attach it to the positive terminal of the breadboard. Oh, so I took the wrong wire. I need to take wires like this. So I took it. So I'll take white one. So you call this, what you are seeing here, so this is called a male to male jumper wire. So you need to connect it to the 5-watt connection, 5V, and attach it to the positive of the breadboard. And here I'll take one more jumper wire. So I'll take the blue one, and I'll attach it to the GND. The GND which is just beside the 5V, not the other one. And I'll just attach it here. And now we are going to keep the connections for the servo motor. So here you see I have few wires for the servo motor. So this servo motor is codable motor, so that's why I'm using it, not any gear motors. So these in this also I'll use the wires. So here I'll attach 3 jumper wires, and I'll complete it. So you see I attached the white one to the middle and black one to the last one. So now the white one, which is the middle one, will go to the positive terminal of the breadboard. I placed it here, the piece. So here I attached 3 ports. So the violet one goes to the GND, or here I'll say negative port. So I'll attach it here, and the left one will go to trig number 12, which is here. And you see we have 4 cables which are left for the HC, like ultrasonic sensor. Now we need to attach these wires to our breadboard. and our Arduino. So I'll just take 4 wires from here, just remove them, and I'll just make them different. And now I'll put the red one to here. So I just connect it, and you see this port is for the VCC. So we have to attach it. The VCC ports goes to the positive port. So this is the positive port here. Here we are having the orange one, which is the GND port. So here we'll take one more jumper wire and we'll attach it to the GND port. So I'll just attach it, and our GND port is this one. So I'll just attach it here. And our last middle two wires, so which is the trig 10 and trig 11. So these gets attached to trig 9 and 10 and 11 of the Arduino board. So I'll attach them too. So the yellow wire goes to the trig. So you see our circuit is completely done. So you can see it already looks a mess of wires. So now we'll upload our code using this cable. So friends, I have already attached my Arduino port to the USB port. So you see down, you can see it. And now I will upload the code. So I'll open my Arduino IDE, and also afterwards we'll open our processing software. So I already made a video on the processing software and the Arduino IDE. So you see our Arduino IDE got opened. So I'll open the desired folder. So I'll just Control O. So I'll just open the desired folder. So Control O. And so I'll just Arduino radar open. I'll just open the folder, and you see I got a code which I had already written before. So I'll just compile it and I'll check for any errors. In the tools, I will just set my board to Arduino board and port to COM3. So actually the name of my port of this is COM3. So now it's compiling it, and I think it's done. So before uploading any code, it's important to compile it, so you may know what errors are there or anything else. And this is our processing ID. So the code is uploading over here, and you see our ultrasonic sensor started moving. So it's checking, and now I will show the code for the processing ID. So I'll open radar and I'll run this. Friends, if you are also wishing to do a project like this, then you need to buy the components, and the components cost little more. So you can see object, it's like a radar. So the red lines are shown for any object detected. So actually it's detecting my cupboard and all the thing, and it's showing like there's a red mark, and you see it's rotating, and you see it's showing the distance as 27 centimeter different. Like it, even I made a code so it calculates the distance also, and you see it keeps going, and your house becomes secure and all that. You can use for security purpose. So I'll just turn it a little. So and you see this is fully green, and actually for the computer it showed the red lines, I think. And that's the cupboard again. You see, you can use it for the security of houses or anything, and or you can even make a model that shows a radar type thing, and you see that's very helpful. So thank you friends, this was for today, and meet you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Codex, and please watch all the videos.